What's yours? Look at this. Well, I am just gonna do it. Well, Grim and the police dogs. We're looking for pigment. Well, we're checking for stuff. Checking for stuff. Looking for stuff. Cutting stuff. Looking at stuff. Yes, yours. Looking at the others like, I'm not doing anything. Black sheep dogs. Police dogs. You are not gonna do it. And they were like just gonna be joining them. And they're running in another. We're looking for pigment, and there's, well, we're checking for stuff, looking for stuff, crabbing stuff, looking at stuff. It's Trayaurus, looking at the others like, I'm not doing anything. He's like, oh no. The fire in the bed's exploding with Dr. Trayaurus. This episode is gonna be super fun. And we will jump for joy. This is Trayaurus' Travels. Guys, come on. We don't want anybody just getting hurt in these thingamajigs, alright? Daisy, come on. Come on. We gotta find Trayaurus. I don't know if this is gonna be the big thing or not. What is this? Wait. House 1. I think this is the place. Guys, you hear that? That must be our buddies. God, Daisy, come on. Daisy, stop being a slowpoke. Come on. Come on, Daisy. Come on. Daisy, come on. You got this. Come on. Get in there. Doggy, stop pushing her. There we go. Alright. Let's place her. Guys, stop. Here. There we go. Alright, doggies, get in. Come on. Come on, doggies. Come on, doggies. Trayaurus is already calling us. Trayaurus is already calling us. Doggies, come on. Guys, this isn't gonna work. Come on. One by one. Come on. Don't be shy. Come on. Doggies, stop playing. Come on. If we want to meet Trayaurus, we shall do that. No, doggies. Where are you going? No, this is the wrong one. Doggies, oh my gosh. Dude, I'm about to install, here. This isn't gonna work. This really isn't gonna work. Oh. No, I did not mean to do that. Doggies, if you would just move, I would be fine. Come on, doggies, get out of there. Come on. Don't waste your time. Come on. There we go. Nice. Right. There we go. Doggies, you got yourself. Okay. Alright, doggies, let's all get in. One by one. Come on. We already gotta meet Trayaurus. Come on. We gotta go. Come on. Doggies, stop being slowpoke. Come on. Let's just install that door one more time. Doggies, I don't want to poke you. No, not like that. No, doggies, stop. Just stop. The lot of you. Oh, that's perfect. Wow. that's that's perfect. Hold on. Doggies, come on, doggies, come on. We gotta need Trayaurus. Trayaurus, there you are. I was just wondering of where you were. Listen, Trayaurus, do you hear that? Trayaurus, don't panic. Trayaurus, do not panic. It's gonna make it worse if you panic. There's rain out there. Oh my gosh. No, doggies, you cannot go. Oh my gosh. You're all getting. No. I can't do this anymore. Come on. You guys, in here. Come on. Doggies. I should have installed a door just to make it a little more simple, right?
You let's do that. A trap door. Yes, a trap door. There it is. No. Daisy, you cannot go out there. Daisy, no. You cannot go out there. Daisy, stop. You're gonna make this worse. Daisy, stay there. Stay right where you are. Don't move. There we go. Nice. We got ourselves a little... I forgot what this is called, but that's okay. Doggies, come on. Come on, doggies. Come on. Come on, doggies, come on. I guess they're going out this door. Oh! Oh, that's using your noggin. Alright. No, stop. No, I don't hurt. You want to shake it? I don't know. No, just like, what? Alright, doggies, in here. Come on. Come on. One by one. Don't be shy. Come on. We want all the doggies here, one by one. Come on. Come on. Nobody's going into the trap door. No. What the? Someone's left out. Oh no. Guys, let's do this. Hold on. Wait a minute. No, don't go inside there. Don't do that. Daisy, move your tushy. Just move. Move your tushy, Daisy. Come on. I don't wanna poke you, and the dogs are gonna clamor. One by one. This is not what I want. No, Daisy, stop. You're blocking the way. Move her, doggies. Move her. Come on. Daisy, no. No, Daisy, come on. No. Move her tushy, for goodness sake. Daisy, don't huff at me. I don't care if you huff. I don't care if you huff at me. Jeez. You're making this job way too difficult. Like, wow. I'm not impressed. No. Yes! Very good. Nice. There we go. Let's see if it works, though. Oh, I don't think it works either. But that's okay. At least we're going strong. Doggies, come on. Doggies, in here. Come on. Come on, doggies. Let's go. Come on. Doggies, you're making this job way too difficult. If you want to go into the trap door, that's totally fine. Well, at least we're not the doggies in the rain. This is just not good at all. Yeah, I'll figure out which one is shaking. No. It looks like somebody wants to go into the... No, Daisy, no. I don't want to hit you. No. No. One is going to go outside that door. Or I see one, at least one. Let's do this. No. I don't want to get... No. You cannot sit. I am not impressed by you guys. Like, wow. Wow. I cannot believe this at all. Jeez. And one of them is shaking like there is no tomorrow. I don't get this at all. Jesus. I can't believe it. I cannot believe this. Like, wow. Wow. I can't even believe this at all. Jeez. You guys are just making me so mad. I don't believe this. No. Don't shake me. Wow. Don't shake me with your fur. Like, wow. The canines are just so angry at me. Like, wow. Like, they just want to go outside. Like, I don't care. I don't care if they go outside. We gotta meet Trayaurus. Oh, let's not waste our time. Come on. Doggies. Doggies over here. Come on. One by one. Trayaurus, stay there. I do not want you going anywhere. Except for the basement, because Look at the rain. Hey, don't shake. Look what I told you. No, Trayaurus, what do you... Oh. Doggies. Doggies, let's do this. Doggies, over here. Come on, doggies. Over here. Come on. Come on. We don't want nobody going out this gate. Come on. No. What do you... You idiot. Come on. No. Black sheep. No, black sheep. No. No. You want me to use the leash? I am so mad at you. Like, wow. You want me to use wheat? Let's do that. Let's do that. Daisy, you're not going down here. Stay there until I get the doggy's attention. Oh my god. No, what are you do? Stop pushing. Like, wow. Like, I can't believe this. Look at the doggy is so scared. They're scared of the rain and they're just wet as heck. Like, wow. I can't believe this. Like, Trayaurus, can you believe it? Just, you're not even looking. I can't even believe this. Trayaurus. No. White sheep, stop pushing. You stop pushing. No. Just sit over there. Come on. Come on, you lot. Come on. Trayaurus, look at me. Trayaurus. Thank goodness. Trayaurus. Do you know Trayaurus? What are you doing? White sheep. White sheep, get over here. Look, here's where I want to place you. There. Now, don't you just outburst at me. I am not impressed with that. There. Now you sit there and behave, alright? Trayaurus, look at me. Trayaurus. Earth to Trayaurus! Trayaurus, what are you doing? Earth to Dr. Trayaurus! Trayaurus. No, doggies, stop. You guys are just way too scared. Even Grim is so scared of the rain. Like, wow. I can't believe this. Well, at least we're getting safe in the storm cellar. Which, oh my god, Trayaurus. Like, what the heck is wrong with you people? You want just sit down. Down. Down, doggies, down. Down, dog. Down, dog. Everybody, down. I can't believe this. No. Trayaurus, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. Trayaurus, do you know what? Trayaurus, why are you so scared? Why is everybody so scared of the rain? Why, Trayaurus? Just why? What do you think? What the? There's no tornado going. There's just some going in the north, the south, the east, and the... Wait a minute. And the west? Trayaurus, are you right or something? I knew it. I knew that there was a forecast going on in my portable radio in my pocket, but it said there was a tornado coming to the north and to the south and to the east and to the west. But that's not true. It's supposed to be one piece of the compass. But who shook? Who shook their fur? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. The lot of you. Trayaurus, I hope you'll be safe. I hope everybody will be safe, right? Trayaurus, don't walk away from me. Jeez. Like, how many times do I have to tell you in each episode, don't walk away from me or try to talk to me? Trayaurus, come on. Look at me. Trayaurus, stop panicking. Stop causing a havoc. Like, Trayaurus, come on. Stop panicking. Like, wow. Trayaurus, look at me. I hope you'll be safe. I hope everybody will be safe. Including all of us. All of us need protection. Even the Aegis that we need. Don't we, Trayaurus? We need all the protection and the support. Right? You get me, Trayaurus? Fine, Trayaurus. If you don't want support, then fine. There. But that's okay. I hope everybody becomes safe. But that's just another episode of Trayaurus' Travels, right? Because we're trying to stay safe in the rain. I hope the rain goes away.